what's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, currency. We're looking at Cardano price action still, looking for support in this move downward here. Price action has been a tad bearish ever since sell signals suggested by EngineeringRobo throughout September here. Technically, EngineeringRobo members have been awaiting the most bullish area of accumulation ever since what appears to be the 19th of September. Since our Robo advisors became bearish, we have currently experienced up to 37% in downside over the following weeks as we await the strongest areas of support here suggested by these key levels. And so, my opinion, we're looking for continued buy pressure off of near current levels. $1.42, in my opinion, is a key level that we have just experienced buy pressure from. We're looking for continued buy pressure and daily candles continuing to open and close above it to further confirm it as support. Technically, in my opinion, the stronger area of technical support is $1.31. That is going to be the stronger key level we are looking for interaction with. Daily candles opening and closing above it can, maintain its, solidification as support. We have key levels down below if we fail to hold that range. However, I am looking for interaction with that moving forward before we can assess these lows. This combination of Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation for Cardano throughout the beginning of October here. Two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bullish on price action after accumulation. We experienced what appears to be up to 126% in upside easily, well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo on Cardano. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bearish in September there, and you were able to still capitalize on 66% in gains if you utilize those sell signals and took profit. And so we do see interaction with buy signals throughout this downward move here. We see interaction with the buy 4 on the 9th of November, suggesting the buy pressure and demand for Cardano is very much present, and Cardano wants to be bullish. However, technically we may just not be ready yet, and we perhaps need further interactions with support before we can re-establish the uptrend. So overall, I am still bullish long term on Cardano. If we can solidify $1.31 as support, we still have some worst case scenario lower key levels here that reach all the way down to 98 cents that can still allow us to be bullish on the longer term uptrend, in my opinion. So we're always waiting for these key confirmations. We're looking out for buy signals to return once support has been solidified. Key buy pressure down below. We're looking for continued support as we await the uptrend continuing. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are your thoughts on Cardano currently? Now we're taking a look at POND against USDT. What do we have here? Price action interacting with support. In my opinion, we have strong buy pressure coming off of this 9-cent level. 0.094 is the key level of technical support. We're looking for daily candles continuing to open and close above, suggesting a very bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside here, supported by some buy signals as well coming from the beginning of August. In addition to interaction with price action above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend forming as we come out of this very strong phase of horizontal accumulation. I do believe some very bullish upside is pending for this coin. It would appear we are interacting with some very bullish technical factors. Resistance overhead waiting for us to give us a hard time. We have 13 cents overhead as a key level of potential sell pressure as we make our way toward my immediate short-term target here for this coin, and significant sell pressure and resistance. 15 cents, in my opinion, is going to be the key level we need to break and confirm as support to await the further overhead areas of resistance all the way up to 27 cents, which I do believe this coin will make its way up to if we can break resistance and confirm support. As long as we're still supported by buy signals, we have EngineeringRobo suggesting a bullish area of accumulation throughout the beginning of August here, a buy 1 on the 24th of July, and the buy 4 on the 3rd of August is two of our chosen three Robo advisors becoming bullish on price action. Technically, since then, we've experienced up to 168% in upside as we await, continued gains here, supported by buy signals still in play throughout this phase of sideways at current levels. You're still up 56% in gains since EngineeringRobo became bullish here, and with no sell signals present, we can anticipate continued upside. We have interaction with with this, buy one and sell one here throughout this phase of sideways. We need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish or bearish on price action to use that to confirm areas of accumulation or take profit. And so at the moment we are supported by buy signals, so we can anticipate continued upside. And so right now we're anticipating bullish upside here following this phase of strong sideways and accumulation. Support down below at 9 cents. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down below as well. Now we're looking at Tribe against Tether. Price action supported by the same combination of robo advisors, a little bit of a higher risk entry here with minimal price action on the Binance chart. However, we do have enough data to print some buy signals and have some key levels in play. The buy 4 and Moon have closed with the November 30th daily candle, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near current levels with anticipated upside here. We also have a buy 1 supporting upside ever since the 5th of November. So technically all 3 of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on upside, and we do have support down below as well. $1.11 in my opinion is the key level here. We need daily candles continuing to open and close above to further confirm as support, and we can potentially use that as an area of accumulation with this anticipated upside here, supported by some technical factors and buy signals at the moment. We're looking out for resistance overhead. $1.35 in my opinion is going to be the key level of sell pressure we may need to break and perhaps confirm as support throughout this move upward here. Failure to hold support at $1.11 could send price action all the way down to a lower support level at 93 cents, where we will need to await confirmations of with the interaction that we may have with it here. So we have some key levels down below to consider. We have the strongest area of support at $1.11 in my opinion. Look out for continued confirmations of support along it. Look out for resistance overhead. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down below. Are you accumulating here currently? Now we're taking a look at Ethereum. Price action still in this phase of sideways here. We've interacted with resistance overhead. The key level to confirm is $4,602 per Ethereum. Price action printing a lower high on the 1st of December here. The last couple days of price action are a technical lower high at the moment relative to price action throughout the beginning of November, where we were interacting closer to $5,000 throughout the $4,800 range. These sort of swing highs here with these most recent daily candles are technically a lower high, which is slightly bearish for us in the short term, which may suggest continued sideways or further interaction downward towards support may be necessary. Overall, we are still very bullish on the continued upside. I very much anticipate the uptrend is in play overall. As you can see, the buy 4 has not come into play with that daily candle we were watching it interact with. We are awaiting the candle close to confirm whatever buy signal is trying to print. However, we are still supported by a buy 1 from all the way back in July, and now a buy 2 more recently throughout the end of November here. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bullish on price action, suggesting continued upside. So in my opinion, this is just a very bullish phase of sideways and accumulation necessary for any sort of longer term uptrend. So let me know down below where you think price action will go. We're looking for support found at $4,371. We also have a key level $4,189, and the strongest area of bullish support that I've been suggesting is still going to be $3,925. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently still sideways. We can see tremendous fundamental buy pressure interacting with significant technical sell pressure, causing this very strong sideways and indecision in the market. Nobody knows where it's going to go, up, down, around, or below. Price action needs to break technical resistance overhead. $58,800 per Bitcoin needs to be broken and confirmed as support, it would appear. And then we have significant interaction within the 60K range all the way up to $69,000 per Bitcoin that we need to conquer as well. Price action still under the influence of sell signals ever since the 16th of November, so we are awaiting stronger support and more comfortable areas of accumulation suggested by some buy signals when they return. Price action still looking for support off of $55,600 per Bitcoin, in addition to lower key level $52,641 per Bitcoin will be support as well. We also have $48,300 $200 per Bitcoin waiting for us as the strongest area of technical support and a very bullish area of accumulation that would be correlating with some other strong technical factors as well, such as this 200 daily moving average. At the moment, we are very bullish. This downside is very bullish for the upside that we are awaiting. Any sort of uptrend must experience downside and confirmations of support. Let me know down below where you think price action will go, if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin at current levels. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out Engineering Robo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video. What are your thoughts on the newly added editing style here? Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.